scale in quarter notes. Ready, and first note, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So we're going to start out forte really strong. All across the band we have half notes and quarter notes, and then upper woodwinds, clarinets, and flutes, and trumpets have eighth note patterns here at the beginning. Everybody else is half notes. So we're fingering through. We're going to be real strong. Beginning, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, so those are all little scale patterns. The third one kind of keeps going. Do that again. This is going to be strong, moderate speed, but not necessarily connected. 2, push on the half notes, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then everybody's kind of repeating the same thing. 4, same kind of eighth notes, but a little higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Stop right there. So trumpet 2, I just want you to be aware. Find measure 6. You have eighth notes. First trumpet has eighth notes. Same thing with clarinet 2. Measure 7, first trumpet, first clarinet still have eighth notes. Second does not. It is different. Okay? So this is measure 9. A little bit softer, same type of thing. 2, ready at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Same eighth notes. 1, 2. Long half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4.